Out here in these waters, there's all kinds of freshwater fish out here. Bass, small, largemouth bass. We have catfish, big yellow catfish, 3-4 feet long out here. Oh yeah. Okay, we need to sit here. Guys, if you noticed what's happened with our ecosystem now, we have moved up into the hardwood swamp. Look around up ahead of the boat. You see the trees? We're now far enough upriver that that saltwater incursion from the Gulf doesn't affect the soil up here, so we've got these trees, and it's going to get thicker and thicker as we go up. Now, one thing I want to show you out here, this waterway over here, this is what we call a cut. It connects over to a bayou that goes to the next river over. Can you guys make out what's in the middle of the trees, way to the back there? In the middle back there? Way to the back, in the center, right up in the middle of the trees up in there. Let's see if you can find it. There's a house back there. Can you see it? Way to the back, all the way to the back. Way in the back. You see that house back there? Yep. Yeah. That house doesn't belong there. That house was put there by Katrina. Oh. Yeah. We had a 20-foot tidal surge out here in this swamp. That house got picked up right off its foundation, floated down the river just like a boat, hit a snag in the river here and went out there. By the time the water went down, that's where it was left. It's all in one piece. 2-bedroom house, living room, the furniture, the kitchen, and it's all full of snakes, and it's going to just sit out there and rot. Now, when you build a house out in the middle of the swamp, nobody's going to insure it. So when something happens, it's your tough luck. And the funny thing about that house was one of our captains was due to buy that house. And he was the week before Katrina, and somehow the title to the property got hung up in a legal process, and he missed it. Thank God, otherwise he'd be owning that in the empty property upriver. I'll show you where that house was upriver up here.